Okay, back again with a little something different to scrap. Some aluminum chaise lounges or lounge chairs. These are actually all aluminum, except for one piece. And that piece is right down here. And we'll show you how to bust that out really good. Easy. And that's about the tool which I got. Hammer and pliers. Hex head drive, because that's what's on here. It's going to be really easy to do. And of course we're going to be coming to you through super high tech bucket cam. Ooh. So they'll just sit right there. I'll go to work on this. And the first thing I do is cut out all the cloth. Got a little head start here. I like to cut this as close to the frame as I can. It gives people at the yard less to complain about. The ends are a little tough because they're doubled. But once you get them going, no big deal. Yep. That's that. Now, some of the fasteners on here are steel. So you might want to take those out to keep the scrapyard happy. Most of these blind bolts, no big deal. That's fine. Right here is the only steel nuts I can find. So basically we're just going to take this one piece off of here, bust out the steel, fold it flat, and be done. Like I said, couldn't be simpler. Some tools. Just grab the nut with a plier, stick that in there, in reverse, out it comes, just like that. Piece, they're all aluminum, welded, even these prongs. You'll find some chairs that have ones that are bolted on here. You have to take them off. Again, no big deal. There you go. There's that. Oh, I lied to you. There's two pieces of steel. Take care of that right now. You see, these are already bent. Just go back, grab your frame, Mr. 5-pound sledge. Hit them some more until one end pops out. Just like that. Or you pop right out like that. One clean aluminum chair. This weighs probably 15 pounds times 40 cents a pound. So at least $6. And I got two, so there's $12. That takes care of my gas for the entire week. They're worth grabbing if you see them. Nice, simple, short. There you go. Hope it's some help. Thanks again for watching.